So this week we're going to focus on lattice multiplication for my project. Just because it was simple and it's PowerPoint I've already got taken care of and presented for everyone. So I'm just going to go over learning how to multiply using lattice multiplication. So first things first, I started with, let's find out how to solve for 42 times 35. With that one being said, to begin you need to draw a 2x2 box. You put the 42 on the top and the 35 on the side like this. So you have 42 on the top, 35 on the side with 4 boxes. When you're finished with that, you draw diagonal lines from the left to the right in the boxes, making a lattice design. Now, starting with the first line, you're going to multiply each line together. So you got 4 times 3, which equals 12. So you're going to put that into the first box. One letter goes on the top, one letter goes on the bottom. You're going to move on. You're going to do the same thing for the next part of it. So that's going to be 2 by 3, or 2 times 3. It's 6, so you're going to put 0, 6 into the next box on the top. Moving on to the next line, same thing. We've got 4 times 5 for the next one, 20. So the first box in the bottom, you're going to put 2 on top, 0 at the bottom. Into the next part, you're on to the final box of it. It's going to be 2 times 5, which we all know is 10. You're going to put 1 and 0 into the final box. Once you finish doing all your individual multiplication problems for it, you're going to solve the equation. You're going to start from the bottom right. You're going to add each of the diagonals together like this. So you're going to start from the bottom right. 0, there's nothing else to add. It's going to be 0. Move on to the next diagonal section of it. 6 plus 1 plus 0 equals 7. Put it down at the bottom. Then we have the next section. 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 1 and nothing else is 1. So your total answer today is going to be 1,470. You don't have to do anything further after you've added the numbers together. It's whatever numbers are on the outside, on the left and the bottom. That's going to be what your total is for the equation that you're presented with. So I went ahead and we did a couple extra ones. Let's see here. We got 12 times 12, 13 times 19. Now keep in mind, I did this for another class, and it was so that it was basically designing your own lesson plan for the class. So I went ahead and I created my own lesson plan with everything. I had them doing their few on their own. I had them do a few with their partners. I had them do a few homework. I had to do answers for the homework. It was all sorts of fun. So I gave them the slides for the parents, so that way it was a step-by-step instructional process for each parent. They would know exactly what they needed to do and how they needed to do it. So that was what I did for that assignment, and figured I'd use that one for this screencast since that was an educational one, and this is also an educational one. I kind of figured it would work together. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully it actually makes sense. If you don't, any questions, feel free, hit me up on my YouTube here, and we'll definitely get them answered for you.